So we get this griddle seasoning to use on our outdoor grill, but then also I use it, like we have a griddle that I use inside, and I will take a little bit of this and put it on either just a little bit on my griddle. If I'm doing it on the grill, I would take more to show you what it looks like. It's like a wax. There's actually 4 ingredients in this. It's got beeswax, it's got palm oil, canola oil, and then it's got soya oil. And you can see what it looks like. It says you should take like a tablespoon and spread it around, and then like 2 or 3 if you have a bigger area. But what I find is if you just, like if I was gonna do this griddle, I would probably just take a half of a tablespoon and then just smear it around on here. And that way it doesn't feel like it's too caked on or too heavy. But what I like about this is it actually makes it so much easier, like our griddle. It actually works on, you know, cast iron, obviously, but any sort of skillet or pan or anything that we use. And then I find if you have something that has a tendency to stick, if you put this on before, it actually makes it a lot easier to clean. And then also it's all just natural ingredients, food grade, and it just kind of makes it a little flavoring because it's got a little oil to it, so it's not so dry. So it's not dry on your food, it's also just good on your griddle and your grill to kind of make it like more moist and not dried out and everything's burning and sticking. So I just thought I would show you what we've been using. If you're looking for something, I would say give this a try and see if you like it. We've been very satisfied with it.